Hi everyone, I've just had a delivery, thought I would do an unboxing. I've only undone the tape, as you can see by the ridiculous amount of paper in here. I haven't unpacked it yet. So yeah, I'm doing some more miniatures and stuff, but I needed some kits and things to do a bit of kit bashing. So basically what I do is I'll get a kit, if it's got some of the stuff in that I need that I haven't got in stock in the studio, and then I'll use it to make my own thing. So I'll show you what I've got. Okay, that's not a hideous amount of paper. They do sometimes use a bit more. So this one is a little miniature room box. And what I want to do is make more miniatures where they're in frames, because I haven't got space anymore to store them on display. I'm a bit out of space at the minute until I get some shelves and things fitted. So for now, what I want to do is build some in frames. And this one is a miniature room box, and it's one of these three. I'll find it when I open it. So let's have a look. And what I like about these is they come with all the bits you need, and they're so small. So I've got some glue, white school glue this time though, which is a bit weird. I won't use that. I'll probably use hot glue like I normally do, or a bit of super glue depending. So it comes with, this is the outside of the frame, and it comes with all this stuff. So let's get this out of the box so I can move the box out of the way. So this is the piece of perspex that will go in the frame at the front. Instruction manual. So this is the warm dawn one. So you can see it's like a sort of little kitchen scene. I'm going to make it look more like a sort of abandoned ruin type thing. But I wanted these little pieces of furniture and obviously the frame. In here we've got some like the wallpaper and some, these are basically the free printables that come with it, and I've just got to cut them out and use them. I may use them for another project. I do tend to keep stuff like this and use it for other projects, because I prefer to make my own things as opposed to just follow the kit, unless I'm in the mood for just doing basically a little puzzle, because it's kind of like doing a jigsaw but in 3D really. So it comes with this little frame, and it's got a hole in the top because obviously there's a little battery pack and lighting rig for this. So this will sit on top, so this will glue onto the back. All the stuff will go inside, and it's got a decent depth to it, look. So you can fit quite a lot in this, and obviously the back's not finished very well, but that doesn't matter because it's going to be painted on anyway. And then here will sit the battery compartment, and the little light will hang down. So it comes with the frame and the box and a whole bunch of goodies. This is all the furniture in little flat pack pieces. So it comes with lighting kit and hinges, so that's all that sort of stuff in there, and hanging brackets and stuff. Little bag of foliage type stuff, that's probably for a window or something. Some fabric and some heat shrink by the looks of it, and different textured materials. This will be the little cupboard. That'll be the shelving unit, and some of the bits needed, like little pots and things to decorate onto the shelving unit. This is for the lighting, and we've got a bit of wire in there and some other fabrics, some green fabric, and this little thing, which is going to make, I don't know, oh, this is probably the stand for like the big plant that goes at the side. So yeah, so it comes with all the bits you need. And obviously I can adapt these bits and make whatever I want out of this kit. So that's why I like buying these kits. And I've got this one. Was this the cheap one? So they normally average around 20 quid, but these were selling cheap recently, so I got them. Let's have a look, see if I can find. So it's that one. £7.89 for this kit, which is like super cheap. Basically whoever's selling it was selling it, obviously got them on sale at the minute. So for £7.89 I've got the lighting rig and all these bits and bobs that I need. I could stick it together with the glue, but I'm impatient and I don't like how long it takes this stuff to dry, so I don't tend to use that. But yeah, I mean, if you hadn't got anything else, you've got all the kit here. And then all you'd possibly need is a pair of pliers to strip the end of the wires for the lighting, and maybe a bit of hot glue. So, and if you've got nothing at all, this kit would give you everything. So yeah, that's why I like buying these. So this one's the warm dawn. So that's where obviously the window comes in, the light, that sort of thing. So yeah, I will make, oh there we go, I will make the like little things to go on the shelves and stuff, and like the oil lamp and stuff, but I'm going to make it look like it's an abandoned room. So yeah, so that's my sort of project to come, which is some wall mounted miniatures. Hope you like this little unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.